Cutting now wood using this axe. Yesterday and today. Yesterday and today we hire labor. Because too much also over there, I will show you over there also. Mashallah, we have lots of abundance of wood for today. This year 2025 and 26 until this one next year. Next year during autumn, winter, because we need woods 4 seasons. Spring, onions, sorry. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. This is very fat, so that's why my husband, he cut by chainsaw. Because if we use this axe, it cannot be. Because it's very fat. So must we use this chainsaw. Cutting board. This one cannot be by axe. This one must be cut like this, and then easy to cut. Here also we have woods there. Diba? Oh. 1 o'clock now. I think 1 o'clock now. Today is November 2. And today is Sunday. 1 o'clock p.m. Now there is azan now for Duhar. After cutting all woods, then we do like this, so it's easy to dry, because this kind of woods is still not dry, so we keep this one for 2 to 3 weeks more. Ito naman yung maliliit na kahoy. Ayan. Ayan, ito din. Oh. Ito naman yung yung mapapayat na kahoy. By na lang ito, by summer na lang namin ito gagamitin panggatong. Because by this season, autumn and winter, we need this. Yung medyo matataba na kahoy. So the rest, we keep already here. We arrange already here in our veranda. Because this kind of wood is already dry. So we keep here. Here. So we keep here. This is already dry. Ayan. Oh. This is ready to fire now. And the rest we keep there outside. Ayan. Oh. Yung din dito lahat, yung naputol na kahoy, yun. Dito na, ilagay na dito lahat. Ayan. Malinis na lahat. Oh. Malinis na ang paligid. Ayan. Oh. Yan, yung mga dahon doon, ano na din, winalis tapos sinunog na. Ayan. Hmm. Ayan. This kind of wood is, they call it here, seda. Ayan, ito yung puti-puti, medyo puti-puti. And ito yung tree, and that is the tree. Ayan yung mga leaves. Malapit nang makalbo itong mga puno na ito. Oh. Pati itong walnuts. Oh. Malapit nang malaglag lahat yung mga dahon. Ito yung seda na tree. So ito yung kahoy. And then ito naman ay yung ano bang kahoy ito, yung yan, ito yung kicker tawag nila. Yan, ito. Yun, may combination na kicker at saka seda. Ang kicker naman ay, saan na ba ang example ng puno ng kicker? Ayan, ayan, yan yun, oh. Yan, pero mapapayat pa yan. Yung mga kicker na yan, oh. Yan. Yan ito, kicker yan. Natumba ito sa sobrang hangin. Tapos may mga din, apple trees din. Ito yata yung apple tree, oh. Yan, oh. Yan yung ng matagal ng puno ng apple. Pinutol na lang nila kayong doon sa baba. Yan.